So finally the wait is over. After a long time, Redmi Note 8 users got MIUI 12 update based on Android version 11. By the way, Android 11 was officially already available globally and even in China. And even China, they got MIUI 12.5, but Indian users didn't got that update yet. And now they finally got the MIUI 12 latest update. The biggest thing about this update is, of course, Android version 11. The previous update was a long time ago, that was just based on Android 10, and now the latest new update is rolling out for the users based on Android 11. One thing keep in mind that this is not public update. This is of course for the pilot users. So if you are a pilot tester, you already got this update, and if you are not, and if you have unlocked bootloader, you can install from custom recovery. But if you want to install this officially, just wait for some time. Let me show you some things here. If you're able to see, there's no option to check out the control center thing, that how you can enable the new controls, and it was the thing which I got previously in global device also. If you're also having this issue, if you're also seeing this kind of error or something like that, that you're not able to enable the control center and old quick shade, how you can do that? You need to search it. By the way, I have already enabled this option. You can see I'm using the control center, and also if you're able to see, there is no blur. Unfortunately, there is no blur. Again, gray background. So it was expected, by the way, it was quite expected from Xiaomi. If for the Redmi Note 8 users, you will not get the blur, which is kind of really unfortunate. Even Redmi Note 7 has better options than this one. By the way, this is not MIUI 12.5 enhanced. This is not even MIUI 12.5. It's just MIUI 12, but only Android version 11. And this was already available for Redmi Note 8 users globally from a long time. So yes, in India now finally got this. And like this, you need to search control center style, then you will be able to open this thing. It was not available by default. Yes, this is something interesting. Some users are getting this, some users are not getting. So if you're also one of those who's not getting this thing, you need to search for control center style, and by default the old version is something this, which of course has the issues like the blur. So yes, if you want blur, you can modify the things, Magisk modules, root, everything is available already. You can go and check it out if you want to. The new things also includes the new sound assistant, because this was the feature available in Android version 11 also. So yes, finally Redmi Note 8 users also got this new thing, which is of course not a major change, but yes, all this includes as Android version 12 features. So yes, I just want to let you know. Including that, if you move on to the home screen, which means your default launcher, here you can adjust the system navigation, which means gestures or the keys, whichever you want. And if you're able to see, now we have the gesture pill, which is navigation bar pill, which was also not included once in Redmi Note 8 update, maybe in India or Android version 10 if I'm not wrong, but now finally it's there. So yes, at least pill available, but unfortunately there is no blur in the control center, which is kind of disappointing, but things are basically same. Also, of course, you can see the new battery things are now available. While there are some things which are available as by default right now, you can easily get these things in any other MIUI based ROMs by installing new security app. As if you don't know, you can install the new security app and you get the new battery things, new privacy protection, and a lot more things, even the new game turbo, etc., which is not available by default in this update. A lot of things have been improved, a lot of things have been simply looking bad. Actually quite disappointed with this update, honestly, but this thing is unbelievable. Memory extension, wow, that's great. Redmi Note 8 users got the memory extension feature. Of course, they said that they will include this update, they will include this thing in the MIUI 12.5, etc. But yes, they already give you in MIUI 12. That's really interesting and kind of unbelievable. Redmi Note 8 memory extension, I'm not sure if it is working or not. By the way, it should work because we are using the default stock version, the stock new update. It should work, but this is quite impressive. They just simply eliminated some interesting features and they added something really different. That's quite insane, and only Xiaomi can do this. Including that, let me show the new game turbo. Of course, it's not there. It was expected that you will see the old game turbo, game space, whatever you want to call it. Things are basically same. But the thing is, if you want the new game turbo, of course, you can use the new security app. As I previously mentioned you, things are kind of same. The video toolbox is also basically same. So things are quite same. If you want to give it a try, link is in the description if you want to install it from custom recovery. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.